Most families do this completely backwards. They find a destination they want, they get excited, they start searching flights. And then they book at the absolute worst time possible and wonder why international travel feels so expensive. I'm a pilot. I understand how airlines price seats in a way most travelers never will. And today I'm going to show you exactly when not to book and when to actually pull the trigger. Welcome to Sky Crew Adventures. I'm Osh, airline pilot and dad of 2 boys. My sons Grayson and Ruben have been on international flights. And every single trip, I plan the booking the same way. Because I've seen what happens when families don't. They overpay by hundreds, sometimes thousands, for the exact same seats on the exact same flight. The price of your seat is not fixed. Airlines adjust it constantly, based on demand, based on timing, based on how full that flight is getting. Today, we're fixing that for your family. Let's go. Let's start with the biggest mistake families make: booking too late. I hear this all the time. We're thinking about going to Europe this summer. It's already April. Summer is 8 weeks away. That flight is going to cost you. Here's how airlines think about it. Every seat on that plane is inventory. As the flight fills up, the remaining seats get more expensive. It's supply and demand, plain and simple. For international flights, the sweet spot for booking is 3 to 6 months out. Not 2 weeks before, 3 to 6 months. For domestic flights, 1 to 3 months out is your target. Here's something most families have never thought about. The day of the week you search and book can actually affect the price you see. Historically, Tuesday and Wednesday have been the cheapest days to book flights. Airlines typically release sales on Monday evenings. By Tuesday, competitors have matched those prices. Friday through Sunday, that's when most people are relaxed browsing flights. Demand for searches goes up and prices tend to follow. My advice, do your searching on a Tuesday or Wednesday morning. And one more extremely important thing, use incognito mode on your browser every single time you search. Airlines track your searches. If you search the same route multiple times, the price can go up because the algorithm knows you're interested. Incognito mode clears that. Fresh search, fresh price, every time. Now let's talk about timing within the year. Because when you travel matters just as much as when you book. Summer, June, July, August, is the most expensive time to fly internationally. Shoulder season is my favorite thing to tell families about. It's the travel window just before and just after peak season. Think late April through May and September through October. The weather is still great, the crowds are thinner, the prices are significantly lower. We took our family to Europe in the fall and are heading to Asia this fall. The difference in cost was hundreds of dollars per person. And when you get to your destination, pre-book your experiences. I use tickets for skip-the-line tickets and family tours. No standing in lines with tired kids. Link is in the description. Here's the one that really gets me. When families book late, it's not just the price that hurts them, it's the seats. As a flight fills up, the available seats get scattered. Window here, middle there. With a 7-year-old, that's uncomfortable. With a 2-year-old, that's a nightmare. Airlines in the US are not required to seat families together. Don't put your family in that situation. Book early, select your seats immediately. All right, here's exactly what I do for my own family. Step 1, I pick the destination first. Then I check which months fall in shoulder season. That's my target travel window. Step 2, I set a price alert on Google Flights. Free tool. You put in your route and your dates and Google tells you when the price drops. You don't have to keep checking, it checks for you. Step 3, when I see a fare I'm comfortable with in that 3 to 6 month window, I book it. I don't wait for it to get cheaper. That's a gamble I've seen families lose. You see a good price, you take it. Step 4, I select seats immediately. And step 5, I grab an Airalo eSIM before we leave. Instant data the second we land. No roaming fees. Link is in the description. That's the whole system. Simple, repeatable. Here's my real talk on booking flights. There is no magic trick that gets you a first-class seat for $50. Anyone selling you that is selling you a fantasy. What there is a smart window to book. And if your flight ever gets delayed or canceled, you may be owed compensation. AirHelp files the claim for you. Link is in the description. Traveling internationally with your family doesn't have to feel financially out of reach. It just takes the right information at the right time. That's what this channel is built for. Hit like and subscribe. And before you go, 3 things I want to put in your hands. My complete pilot dad guide, the jet lag playbook, and the budget travel playbook on Etsy. All 3 links is in the description. I'm Ash. This is Sky Crew Adventures. I'll see you up there.